Hey folks, got a Jeep Compass here, 2014, 2.4 VVT. You guys want to check and change spark plugs? We're going to check the spark plugs. I'm going to show you how to do spark plugs and the ignition coils. 4-cylinder should be pretty easy. Just got to pop this cover off, put it off to the side, and they are right here. Okay. See these little red tabs? They actually slide. When you slide them back, it unlocks them, like this one here. Just push this off to the side, unlock. So let's do number 2 cylinder. Okay, so we're gonna unplug this. Yeah. Okay, looks like they look pretty good. They look like somebody changed at least the coils. All right. So on top here is a T30. Let me see if I can set you up over here somewhere so you can see. You stand here for me. How about that? You guys stand here for me. All right, so this is a T30. Get this little crack. The coil, when you pull it out, just give it a little twist. Makes it a little easier to come out. There you go. So when you're looking at the coil, you're looking to see any signs of water damage or oil. Okay, that's what you're looking for. This is in good shape. All right, next thing is the spark plug itself. It's going to be 5/8 straight down. So you make the contact, then it falls right in. Get your little ratchet. And we're going to crack it open. Watch this crack loose. It usually spins out by hand. Once you spin it out by hand, you will see the spark plug. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. All right, so look, it looks black. So it looks like it's running rich. All right, we got some black little carbon deposits. Got a little oil on the sides, which are on the threads. So that could be a leaking valve cover gasket. Okay. Spark plugs look decent. Okay, but yeah, we gotta find out why it's running rich like that. We have to check the air filter. I would definitely check the air filter to make sure it's not clogging up or anything. But yeah, definitely running rich. All right, so that's it. So the spark plugs on these, ouch, it's hot. These are iridiums, Denzos. Looks like an IK16TT. That's what's in there now. So yeah, you get your spark plugs. All right, you can put them right back in. Iridiums usually come already gapped already. You just want to look to make sure that there is a gap. Okay, it's very, very tender, that little center iridium plug. So you really don't want to mess with them. But in the packaging, anything could have happened. All right, so there you go. Spark plug is back in. So if you're changing the plugs, yes, that's what you got to do. Changing the coils, comes right out. Make sure it goes straight in. Line up with that bolt. Put the T30 back in. Tighten that up. You can do one at a time. You can't mix up the wires, okay, because they only go one way. And you're gonna go with it, push it in. I want to lock the tab. That's it. So now it ain't coming off. All right, that's it. You do that to the other ones and you'll be okay. Then don't forget to put the cover back on. That's it. Pretty quick, right? You could do 4 pretty quick. All right, that's it, people. Thanks for watching.